For those over in Scott's room, you are, he just revalidated shop. I don't know if you guys got in that yesterday afternoon. We are in our shop. He's trying to play this dip again. It's rallied back a little bit. It was down trading around 203. Now it's trading 204 and change. Our position, we are in at 70. It's trading right there. Let's take a quick look at eBay as well. eBay is actually up a touch on the day. We're in right where we traded, and in our VIX trade, we're along the 15-18 call spread for the 17th, and that is trading exactly. We have nothing to do with any of our holdings. We have no expiring positions today, which is always nice not to deal with that. And we have a couple of inside bars we can look at. Nothing on tap yet. Just seeing what's going on in Domino's PZZA.